The bird dog is a core exercise that is all about anti-extension, so resisting extension or movement in that core. What we're going to do is set up in a quadruped, so hands and knees on the ground position, and you're going to have your opposite hand and leg, so right hand, left leg, extending out as far as they can with the tension in your core remaining absolutely consistent and not breaking at all as that arm and leg push out. So we want to have a little bit of a rounding in the lower back, almost like you're bracing against a blow to the stomach, holding that core really, really tight. And as that arm and leg go out, think of it as a fight between the core and the legs. And we want to absolutely resist doing this sort of movement where we flail up and down. The core has to win that battle, so the leg and the arm want to extend and go higher, but they are not afforded the opportunity to do that. It's a very simple exercise, one that a lot of people get confused by because they'll try to reach really far. It's not about reaching, it's about the tension that you can have within that core, within that trunk, and making sure that nothing extends beyond that. As soon as the core breaks, that's the end of your range. Keep that tension and remember that the bird dog is all about resisting movement.